Okay, afternoon. Just a really quick update. Having looked at replacing the box on this little video recorder, I went and down to local Maplin. That's basically all we had available here, and looked at the boxes that were available and weighed them, which they thought was quite strange. And there wasn't an awful lot in it, really. I mean, maybe 15, 20 grams in it. And when I looked at stripping out the board that I was going to remove from the previous video, it then didn't fit very well back in the box. So basically, to cut a long story short, I've kept the original box, so which is only added about 70 or 80 grams to the weight of the model. But what I have done is I've kept the board that I said I was going to remove. I didn't remove it in the end, but what I did do is I removed. You can't really see how. I removed all the connectors from the board because they were, I wasn't going to use the connectors because I didn't want to have to, the large 3.5mm jack plugs and stuff would have just not fitted in this small area in here. So I've removed the connectors from the board, and then I put a wiring loom in directly onto the PCB inside the video recorder. So that's sort of a pretty good compromise solution. So yeah, still got the original box. So now I've just flown it and got some video off of the little flight recorder here. So it's basically recording the video with the on-screen display overlay just before it goes into the the transmitter. So so I'll post up a little video of the footage, and yeah, it was pretty good. A very windy day, unfortunately. So yeah, it was a bit bouncy out there. I wasn't entirely comfortable flying it. Shouldn't have really flown it in wind like that, but just wanted to see what the video would produce, and it's really good, really good. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Cheers.
Okay, here's the quad flying. It's extremely windy, which is why it's banging around all over. I was trying to fly altitude hold, and it was struggling. I think the wind was messing with the barometric pressure sensor. So yeah, the video quality is not too bad. Output from the video camera and the on-screen display being recorded by that little onboard video camera seems to do a reasonably good job. Obviously not going to suffer from any video breakup because it's being recorded on the quad as opposed to being recorded on the ground. A few other parameters I need to fiddle with, yeah, but it sort of seems to be basically working. Nice that it displays sort of percentage left in your battery and about time, flight time, and that type of thing. So yeah, quite pleased with it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.